The Indo-Pak War of 1947-1948, also known as the First Kashmir War, was fought between India and Pakistan over Jammu and Kashmir. Operation Ranjit was launched with the aim to capture Naushera, Jhangar, Chingas and Rajouri. Central India Horse was to advance along two axes, Naushera, Jhangar in the initial stages and subsequently along axis Chingas, Rajouri and liberate Rajouri. Liberation of Jhangar. Raids by the enemy in the Chamjorian posed a threat to Akhnur, where the Berry-Pattan bridge for heavy vehicle crossing over Munawwar Tawi existed. Bravo Squadron was to operate on the axis Akhnur-Joria-Cham-Deva towards Bhimber. Bravo Squadron facilitated the operations of 50 Parachute Brigade to liberate Jhangar. Capture of Rajouri. The operation was planned in three phases. First phase was capture of Barwali Ridge, while second phase was advance and capture of Chingas. Phase 3 was advance and capture of Rajouri. Alpha Squadron of CIH advanced along the Tavi River. Commandant's crew, Lance Dafedar Varayam Singh was awarded Veer Chakra for his exemplary bravery displayed in the advance. Tanks of CIH brought down accurate fire from both flanks. The road to Chingas and Rajouri was effectively blocked by Barwali Ridge. Coat Hill in the east and Nandapur Hill to the west were mined and effectively covered by enemy fire. Major Karam Singh, Alpha Squadron Commander with his squadron gave relentless support to infantry for capture of Barwali Ridge, which subsequently enabled the advance to Chingas. He was awarded Veer Chakra. Tanks of CIH were tasked to engage the enemy all along the high ground. Captain Arvind Jatar ensured accurate tank fire despite being subjected to enemy shelling. This helped infantry close in on the objective. By night 8 and 9 April, Barwali Ridge had been captured. Captain Arvind Jatar was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. Lieutenant Colonel Zorawar Singh, Military Cross, as Commandant led the prodding from Barwali to Merian and the swift outflank to be at Chingas. He commenced advance through the river at 11:30 hours on 12th April with RHQ leading the tank column. Alpha Squadron followed. Enemy brought down mortar and machine gun fire on them from both flanks. Captain Arvind Jatar led the tanks of CIH crossed Tavi 11 times. Sawar Roop Chand, driving his T-16 carrier, came under intense enemy machine gun fire. All occupants leading Roop Chand bailed out for shelter. He maneuvered his vehicle, which received 123 bullets, to safety. Sawar Roop Chand was also decorated with the Veer Chakra. The tank column progressed to Rajouri. Naib Risaldar Janak Singh, a war veteran of World War II and recipient of Indian Distinguished Service Medal, on the 9th April dismounted his men and in fading light led them in a charge on a hill feature and cleared the area for Night Harbour. He was awarded with the Veer Chakra. Diversions were created by the detachment of engineers to cover 14 miles to Rajouri in 6 hours till 17:30 hours. Lieutenant R.R. Rani, a sapper under command of Central India Horse, was awarded the Param Veer Chakra. The squadron was subjected to intense and accurate fire from Rajouri Fort, the town and surrounding hills. The tanks retaliated with devastating accuracy and quantum. Young Lieutenant S.C. Joshi, under heavy enemy mortar fire, helped engineers to clear the roadblock and then maneuvered his tank over difficult terrain and continued till the time the objective was captured. He was awarded the Veer Chakra. Unexpected and unconventional use of armor had shocked the enemy. By the evening of 11th April, the ridge lines had been occupied and the road to Chingas was through. Assaulting elements reached Rajouri at 22:30 hours. Tanks were positioned with their guns fixed to cover important hill features, which were engaged with tracer ammunition to forestall the enemy from reoccupying them. Next day, the task force cleared pockets of resistance and patrolled the interior. Rajouri had been liberated. In the battle, the regiment was awarded with 1 Mahavir Chakra and 5 Veer Chakras and earned the Battle Honour of Rajouri and Theatre Honour of Jammu and Kashmir. The Central India Horse earned the title of Liberators of Rajouri. The battle is a tribute to the bravery of troops from Central India Horse. Imaginative and bold employment of armour won the day for the country and also immortalized the regiment motto, "Fortune favors the brave."